Hello everyone! SEO, search engine optimization, is very important in creating a good channel and platform for your business presentation. You may have a great content and thumbnail, but you should know how to put everything in its place. So, SEO can work in your favor and favor of your business. Now, how do you do that? Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the great part of YouTube's and Google's algorithm. Number 1. Keyword. First, you'll have to do a small research in order to find out what keywords are the most essential to your video or product or service. Go through Google and YouTube and try to find out what words push videos to the top. Also, you can type the words you choose and see what kind of videos YouTube will offer you. Make a list and use them in future videos. Number 2. Title. You create one by using the previously mentioned keywords. Also, make sure that title has to be interesting for the audience. It can be put in a way of a teaser, explanatory, or clickbait, depending on what you want to achieve. But do not mislead the audience by the wrong title. Be sure to use the main keyword, such as the name of the service or product, and do not overuse them. In the titles, you can also ask questions, reveal some life hack, or some tips. Description. A place where you're writing down the description of your video. First, describe what viewers can see in your video. Is it a recipe, unboxing of a product, a review, advice, vlog, or funny video? You can address them in the first person or third, it doesn't matter. Be creative and funny, give a lot of information, but to not reveal the core of your content. Keep in mind that the first line is the most important one, because it will show up as a short description next to your thumbnail in the video lists. Also, in this part of the description, try to use those mentioned keywords as well. Next, copy the title. It will help your SEO and algorithm to get more info about your video, even though it is typed twice. Then, use a call to action moment. Invite people to follow you on other platforms. Call them to click the subscribe button to share and like the content. Give them website links that lead them to the product, services, to your other videos on YouTube, or to your other social media. Feel free to use different fonts, emojis, like we explained in some of our videos, such as how to create an Instagram post. Go to your web browser, type fonts for Instagram, go to the link that changes fonts. Type your word, sentence, or whole caption. The online app will change it into different fonts. Choose one, copy it, and then paste it into the caption section. At the end, add hashtags, tags that can help your video be viral. And speaking of which, what about hashtags? Use 3 main keywords that describe your video and put them under a hashtag. Those words will show up above your title. They are underlining the most important things in a video. For example, if you're selling perfumes, you can use a hashtag such as hashtag perfumes, hashtag name of the perfume, hashtag name of the brand. If you're giving an online course, you can use hashtag online course, hashtag tutorial, or hashtag name of your brand. You can find out how to use hashtags and how many of them in our video tutorial hashtag masterclass. Playlist. Add your video to a playlist. This way your channel is better organized, so viewers and subscribers can easily find what they're looking for, and that way they'll spend more quality time on your channel. Each playlist can have and should have its own description because of the SEO and algorithm. Tags. This is the part that can also help your video get viral. Type here the most important tags in this part of your video. As you've done previously by searching the keywords, now it's a good time to put them in one place. These tags help you and your video be more viral. Be sure to use the right ones and do not save on them. Write them down. If you're not sure what to type down, you can use other programs that can read other tags from the videos that are viral. Copy their link in the blank space and it will list you all the keywords they used. Monetization. Your channel and videos can be monetized so you can earn money directly from YouTube and its advertisers. Cards and end screens. Add them to your video. You can do so when uploading the video and following the necessary steps described in our video tutorial, How to Upload YouTube Video. You can use them to promote your other videos, channel, website, or some other links. It's a self-promotion inside the video itself. You can also promote some other channels presenting your products or services. Timestamps. This helps the audience to easily find what they're looking for. For example, if you're selling phones, write down the time where you're testing its battery, or time when you're testing the waterproof system, or the camera itself, so viewers can click on that specific moment in the description and see the thing in which they're interested. Subtitle. Captions are important when you want to have a text under your video explaining the video, scene, or product. YouTube can make one automatically, but it oftentimes comes up wrong, so write them down by yourself. Choose the preferred language, and in the YouTube Studio, type them right down. It will also help algorithm to find your video and present it to the right viewers. This way you're giving the viewers better user experience, and also getting higher on YouTube ranking. Longer watch time. Viewers sometimes like short videos, but the longer the video is, the better chances for YouTube to use that video for placing ads. The more time people spend watching your video, the chance to go up on YouTube's ranking list is bigger. The YouTube algorithm will push you forward. Time. Time can be essential when publishing the video. Here, you should know how your target group breathes. If you do not know, try to find out by publishing videos at different times and on different days in a week. This way you'll find out what day and time best suits you and your product, business, or service. Promotion. Promote your video through Google Ads and on your other social media or website. Call people to action to watch your video on YouTube. Likes, dislikes, shares, and comments. Each mentioned thing is important because it's some kind of scoring. Each like, dislike, or share can be scored and move you one step forward in the YouTube rank list. Call to actions through your video by voice or by design. Do it on a regular basis. Now, if you're not sure where to type what, watch your video, How to Upload YouTube Video. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.